you can find investors' and VCs' email addresses and phone numbers. This demo showcases how LinkFinder AI helps you access this valuable contact information efficiently. You can find investors' and VCs' email address and phone number. So first, go in the video description and click on the first link in the video description. This will redirect you to LinkFinder AI, which is the tool that we are going to use to find investors' and VCs' email address and phone number. Once you are on LinkFinder AI web app, you can start finding VCs' and investors' email address. Click on Start Free Trial to create a free account on LinkFinder AI. First, we need to click on this enrichment, Find LinkedIn Profile URL, to find the investor LinkedIn profile URL. Say I want to find Bill Gates' contact information. Bill Gates is my investor or my VC that I want to reach out. Then I go and enter Bill Gates' full name and I enter his company name, Microsoft. Copy the LinkedIn profile URL found for Bill Gates. We are going to use it to find the email and phone number. Next, click Select Data Type to choose the type of data you want to enrich here. It's LinkedIn profile URL. Click Select Output Type to choose the output format such as LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address. Fill Select Output Type to set the desired output, for example, phone number or email address. Click Enter LinkedIn Profile URL to input the profile link for enrichment. Click Enrich Data to begin finding Bill Gates' contact information. Click Profile Data Found to see the LinkedIn profile URL and phone number found for Bill Gates. Click Select Output Type to change or confirm the output data type. Fill Select Output Type to specify the desired output, such as email address. Click Enrich Data to retrieve the investor's email address. Click Profile Data Found to see the LinkedIn profile URL and email address bill.gates@microsoft.com. Click Upload CSV Bulk to find contact information for multiple investors at once. Click Select File to choose the CSV file containing LinkedIn profile URLs of investors. Click Process 4 items to start bulk enrichment of investor data. Click Export to download the enriched investor contact information as a CSV file. Click API Access to explore how to perform data enrichment programmatically. Click View API Docs to see detailed instructions for using LinkFinder AI's API. Click B2B Data Lookup to access business contact profiles, company pages, and posts without using your LinkedIn account. Click Lead Full Name to LinkedIn URL to find LinkedIn URLs from full names and company names. Click the curl command example to see how to call the API with your authorization key and data payload. Click LinkedIn Profile to Email to find a person's professional email from their LinkedIn profile URL. Click the curl command example showing how to use the LinkedIn Profile to Email API endpoint. Click Find a person's phone number from their LinkedIn profile URL to access Phone Lookup API. Click the curl command example for LinkedIn Profile to Phone API to retrieve phone numbers programmatically.